Microsoft's already 100% renewable by the end of this year. By 2030, it will be fully net zero. We're actually, 100% sustainable on our water by the end of next year. So look, we're very committed to keeping up with that. And the good news about new demand is that it comes with a new opportunity to reinforce sustainability, whereas old supply, I think, is much harder to move. So I think that we're actually in a very good place on it. It's true that it's going to put unprecedented burden on the grid because scale-wise, we're definitely consuming far more energy than the grid has previously managed. But it's, the grid is long overdue a radical uplift, right? These are the kinds of infrastructure investments that we need to be making in our countries in the West for the future of, our societies, spending less on war and more on spending hundreds of billions of dollars up-leveling our grid so that we can manage all of the new spare battery capacity that's going to come from local generation in your homes and small businesses and cars.
Do you think, you've spent a lot of time in Washington, do you think the folks in Washington, which I think struggle to even understand social media, understand this, whether it comes to the implications of AI, but also the energy implications and everything else?
Yeah, I think to some extent the conversation is shifting now towards the renewable energy question. I think people do realize that we're consuming vast amounts of energy and, this has to shift. But this isn't going to shift just because Microsoft buy 100% renewable, which of course Google does as well, and the other companies are heading in that direction.